when you have downturned eyes, they might be downturned because of the bottom part or droopy, hooded on the upper part. Doesn't matter if they're downturned because of the lower part or the upper part. What you need to think about when applying an eyeliner on such eyes is, close it, how thick actually the line is and where it is thick. So, for example, if I am applying it from the start, usually I see women, they go up here. So on the middle part, no. All right, we're back in the game. Brina finds it just too funny. Anyways, look, women go up here, start pulling the line. So the line looks good, but then the line goes way too up here. You'll see what happens if you do this. This eyeliner just sucks. Terrible. Urban Decay, what? Some blue eyeliner. Just dries way too fast. Wait. Boom, boom, boom. And now open the eye. You see already how it makes the eye even rounder. And now I'll pull it, close it, I'll pull it here. Oh my god. The eyeliner just flying around. Okay, so look, I'll pull it up here. wait, no smiling, because she's breaking the line when she smiles, which oftentimes happens. Obviously, when you smile, the eye creases and you break that line. So, look, you'll see. what a mess! Oh my god, what a mess this eyeliner is. Wait, here. If I do it like this, obviously I'm doing a quick application. No. Wait, look, I can't touch her face because of the mess I did with this eyeliner. You see how the lid covers here? The lid covers the eyeliner application, which pulls the eye down. And now when she smiles, smile, this line here breaks as well. Therefore, I think it is better to apply an eyeliner like this. So you make a thin line. You see where the crease is. So you need to look where the crease is. Go, if you have hooded eyes, just up until the crease. Obviously, Brina doesn't have such hooded eyes, just slightly. If she smiles, she has hooded eyes. And I open the eye. You see already how the eye is lifted and it's lighter. It looks softer in a way. I mean, it's not a heavy application. It doesn't pull the eye down, it pulls the eye up. Now, I'm able to extend this flick even further, but now when she'll smile, the flick will break actually. And this terrible eyeliner, I actually need to throw away. Oh my god, who wants this Urban Decay eyeliner? Who knows how to use it? Here, look, I'll flick it down. If Brina wouldn't move left and right, good. Stay. Hold your breath, hold your breath. Wait, a bit more, that you see what happens. Now smile. You see the line slightly breaks on the outer corner because she has slightly hooded eyes. And now close it. I'll do it even more. There. Oh, my bad, my phone. My bad. Down. This line will look too curved. Okay, open. It already breaks. You see how it breaks here? It started pulling the eye down. It was better before when the line was shorter. So, when you have downturned eyes, first thing you need to be aware of when applying an eyeliner is how thick the line is. If you make it too thick and your eye is rounder or droopy, it will change the appearance of the eye, and it will pull it even more down because it will look too heavy. And also what you need to take into account is how long the line is. If it's too long, when you smile, if you have slightly hooded or hooded eyes, it will pull the flick down because it will break here. Wait, before you go. Brina said she doesn't see the flick breaking, so close it. I'll show you from a close angle. I'll make a thicker line, going more up. Okay, up, and then down. Connect it all together nicely. Boom, open. You see the flick now breaking. Just goes here and then breaks slightly down. So it pulls it down. It was better before. Hope I explained it well. See you soon. Ciao, ciao, ciao.